peeps, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my room tour. So I have gotten some new things in my room that I didn't have on my previous room tour, which was back in 2015. So it's been like what, 3 years since that last one. So yeah, I mean, it's still in the progress right now, but once I have it all done up how I want it, I'll for sure like do it again, update you guys again. So yeah, if you guys want to see how it looks right now in the progress, just stay tuned and just keep on watching. Into my room, because it's like obviously like the biggest thing in my room. It's my king size bed, and the first bed I had forever was my twin size bed, and then after that I went into a full size bed, which that used to be my parents' first bed after they came from Mexico, and it was pretty old already, and like my back was starting to hurt, so obviously I needed a new bed. But obviously king size beds are really expensive, and the good thing was that my dad's boss was getting rid of his old bed, and ta-da! I got it because I needed it, and plus my parents had already gotten a new bed, like a whole bedroom set. Yes, so the whole bed frame and the bed, the mattresses, came from my dad's boss. But the, what are these called? The covers, actually, and the little small pillow and the pillowcases, they're actually a set that I bought at TJ Maxx, and yeah, I like it. And I felt like it would go perfectly with the nude, nude covers. And yeah, I really do love this bed. It's really comfortable. I just need my fiance to join the other side of the bed. Out. So this is something you guys saw in my previous like room tour, which is my TV and this like TV holder. And like my DVD players like down here. I also have like this card wallet, and there's like this ID, like, you know, like cards and stuff. And yeah, nothing really important there. Like my DVD players are like right here. And this is the other new thing that came that's new here in my room, which is my vanity. And you guys seen my vanity tour, my recent one. I have this chair right here, bought it at Amazon. I bought this at TJ Maxx as well. The vanity, we bought it from a like iUpper app thingy. So yeah, I do have my vanity tour video, so I'll leave that up here for you guys. You guys can see I don't have my posters anymore on my wall, like my closet doors, nor the one I had on my closet, like my door right there. And here's like my new like drawer. Is that how you say it? I don't know. So like I was saying, here's my nail polishes. This is the one I have right now on my nails. See? And it's in the shade, I could barely read it, but this is the one. It's the blue one. So I keep it here since it's the one I'm using right now. I have my little piggy banks here is where I put like my coins and stuff. I have my picture with my brother and my nephew. I think he was like 3 here. So that was like just out of high school. So I'm guessing he was 2. So I have that picture there. I have this little teddy bear that my friend Christy gave me. Obviously I have a dead rose right here. Another one right there. I have this candle that my fiance bought me. It says I love you all over it, and it's from Bath and Body Works, and it's on the smell sweet honey, chocolate, nectar, peony petals, soft creamy vanilla. So it's right there. I don't know if you guys can read it, but this is how like candle thing, and I am for sure gonna save this once I'm out of the candle. Almost halfway, so yeah. So I have this. I have my Virgencita de la Guadalupe right there. And on this side I have another picture. Obviously you guys have seen this one. That's me when I was 1.5, I think, and that's my brother. I have this like little Eiffel Tower flower, un florero, pretty much. Like these are fake and stuff that we got from my cousin's confirmation. Don't mind my little gut. So I keep it there next to my Virgencita de Guadalupe. I have my little Hello Kitty, and I have this right here. It's like a big ass mug. Got my lighter, you know, for my candle. Got my little cigarette. My favorite perfume at the moment. Favorite gloss at the moment. You know, some mints. Some Madrin for like when I'm nauseous and shit. So yeah. So I keep this behind here so it won't be like too much, and I just put my little Hello Kitty on top. And just right here I have my sunglasses from the moment, the ones I'm using at the moment. This is how they look. And then just my perfume collection. I have this one that my mom gave me, and it's from Royal by Joyce. It smells pretty good. This body mist, I'm almost out of it. Favorite lotion, it's from Bath and Body Works, and it's the Warm Vanilla Sugar 24-Hour Moisture Ultra Chia. And yeah, it just smells like vanilla. Vanilla is my favorite scent. This is my all-time childhood favorite perfume. It's the one I used to steal from my mom, and she actually bought me this one so I wouldn't steal it from her anymore. So yeah, love it. I don't know what's it called. I know you could get it at Avon magazines, so yes. Another body mist from Victoria's Secret. The lotion that comes with it. And another perfume. I believe I got this from Mary Kay. I actually won it. So yeah, it's by Bella. My room tour. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you guys have any questions like or any ideas, like I would really appreciate like if you guys have any good ideas of what to put in my room or anything like that. So yeah, and I just thought it was time for me to get rid of those. I think I have overgrown that like stage. Of course, I'm a big ass fan still of Whitney and Eminem, but I think I already overgrown that stage of me having posters on my walls. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this room tour, like, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll for sure give you the updated ones once it's fully done. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe,